my name is Ankita. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm creating this winter frosty look. I really like how this came out, and I usually, go for more golden tones, and so I tried to experiment with more like silvery toned, cooler shades. So if you want to learn how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. So I already applied my Smashbox Photo Finish More Than Primer. I'm gonna go right into my foundation. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me in Dewy Smooth, and I am the color 315 Soft Honey. So I took just a drop and I'm going to spot it all over my face. And start blending the foundation into my skin. I really do feel that I only need just a drop of foundation because I try to keep my base thin because we are going to be adding concealer and then powders. So if you at least keep the base thin, it won't feel like you're adding too much. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 30 Honey. So again, I just take a little bit, apply under my eyes. I apply it around my nose, on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on the forehead, and any left over my chin. So I'm going to start here, and if I feel like I need more coverage, I'll add more. Adding a little bit more under my eyes, and I'm blending it with my finger. And I take any leftover and put it on my eye. Next, I'm using my Kat Von D translucent setting powder, taking some on my beauty sponge and applying it to all the places I applied concealer. This ensures that my concealer won't crease and keeps it all in place. The good thing about translucent powder is that it blends in with your face really well. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face later, and I'm going to start with my eyes. So with this look, I'm starting off with this single matte shade called Pin Girl, and it's their Frost finish. Taking a flat shade eyeshadow brush. This is an Estee Lauder eyeshadow brush. Applying that on my lid. I'm not being meticulous or anything, I'm just want to get the color on there. So this will be a nice base to start my eyeshadows on. Then I'm going in with a little bit of a fluffier brush like this. And for this look, I'm going to be using this Protege palette by Suva Beauty. And these colors are so pretty. So I'm going to take this color Poetic, bounce my brush on it, and also just apply this all over my lid. I'm also applying this shade in my crease. So now I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going into my Too Faced Brow Envy palette that I use for my eyebrows. And I'm going to take the color I use on my eyebrows called Brunette. And with the same brush, I'm just going to apply this right in my outer crease. All nice, I'm going to take the back of my primer, put it like this. I want to angle it so that my eye and the end of my eyebrow are in a line. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So line up the end of my eye with the end of my eyebrow. And you can see the nice line. Then next, I am going to take just a tiny bit of this color called Aesthetic. And with that same brush, I'm only putting this in my crease. So I'm actually going to bring it in a little bit. Once I have that, I'm taking a flat shade brush like this. I'm going to go back into that Poetic color, kind of cutting my crease a little bit with this shade. So I'm applying it like that. With the same flat shade brush, I'm now taking this really pretty color called Structure. So this is like a very frosty and shimmery color, and I'm placing this on my lid. So I'm going to do some blending now. So once again, taking that brown envy shade, I'm going to take the color Brunette and just blend it in my crease. And then again, taking the color Aesthetic, which is this very pigmented magenta shade, you could say, and concentrate it right there. This just helps bring a little bit of color into the eye. For my inner corners, I'm taking that shade Poetic. It's like light lilac shade. I'm going to put it in my inner corners. I'm also going to take the color Aesthetic onto this dome-shaped brush, put it under my eyes, on my waterline. Also take Structure, which is a very sparkly tone. Put that right here. Take the shade Poetic. I'm going to put it on my brow bone. So I'm actually just going to take a little pencil brush like this and my gel liner. So this is a MAC gel liner. It's called Black Track. I'm taking my mascara. It's called Monsieur Big by Lancome. This mascara is amazing because I feel like I'm wearing false lashes every time I wear this. This is with no mascara, and this is with mascara. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face. I'm going to start with bronzer. I'm taking my Parkave Princess palette and using the color Angle. This is like my go-to palette for bronzing. I think the colors match my skin really well. So the way I contour is I start my cheek and take this line and apply it there. So it's from the end of my lip to where my hair starts here. And then I bring the color up to my forehead and then down my jawline. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, I do have a how I contour tutorial. Then with the same brush, I just dust off any color on it, and I'm taking this color Enhance, just placing that under my eyes, my forehead, and right below my cheek contour, this space. I'm also taking it and just putting it around my mouth. I'm going to contour my nose by taking that shade Angle, and then taking Enhance and laying that right on top. I'm taking the same brush and just blending it in so the contour isn't too harsh. I'm taking the Smashbox Red Carpet Radiance palette, taking this pink tone right in the middle, use that as my blush, starting at the apples of my cheeks and just working my way back. The excess, I'm gonna put it all over my face. Then I'm taking this highlighter from the Creme shop. It's the shade Intergalactic and it matches my eyeshadow really well. So I'm gonna use this as my highlight. And I'm going to blend that with my fingers. I'm actually going to take the highlight in the Red Radiance and to go over with it. So this color, just kind of to blend it in more. I just quickly applied this lipstick by Clinique. It's called Different Grape. I also just made my wing a little bit thicker. I'm taking this that color Frost with a flat shade brush, just applying it in that inner third area. I just did this to brighten up the look a little. I hope you like this frosty makeup look. I think it's really nice for winter. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really have fun creating a more silvery and cool tone shades because I always go for my comfort zone, which is like bronze, gold, warm tones. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!